Well, today on March 16th, on a nice Sunday just outside of Naples, Tina and I decided to go to the bird Rookery swamp, and you'll be surprised at what we saw. This is just a few miles from our house in Waterways. This is the Crew Land and Water Trust area. There's birds in here and alligators and river otters and lots of other wildlife. So we're going to have a good time here today. We're going to check it out. So off we go. This was the first surprise we came across, a small alligator somewhere around 18 to 20 inches long. And right here on the main path is an alligator. It's a small one. It's about 5 feet long. Just basking in the sun. Bye, Mr. Gator. And now, here's a bigger one. This one's going to be, I don't know, come on darling. Go ahead, walk beside me. This one's more like 8 or 9 feet long. Beautiful specimen. That's the closest I've ever been to an alligator. And last but not least is this beautiful snowy egret.